तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
शिर्डी निवासा साई शंकरा शिर्डी निवासा साई शंकरा परती निवासा साई शंकरा परती निवासा साई शंकरा भावातीता भावगोचरा भावातीता भावगोचरा कालातीता काल भैरवा कालातीता काल भैरवा शिर्डी निवासा साई शंकरा परती निवासा साई शंकरा भावातीता भावगोचरा कालातीता काल भैरवा जय जगदीश्वर ओंकारेश्वर 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 शिर्डी निवासा साई शंकरा
भवतारिणी परतीश्वरी भवतारिणी परतीश्वरी सुखदायिनी साईश्वरी सुखदायिनी साईश्वरी भवतारिणी परतीश्वरी बन्धमोचनी प्रशान्तिवासिनी बन्धमोचनी
पांडुरंग
शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शङ्कर रूप महेश्वरताय शिव शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शङ्कर रूप महेश्वरताय शिव शङ्कर 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 साई शिव शङ्कर 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 साई ओंकार प्रिय शिव शङ्कर साई ओंकार प्रिय शिव शङ्कर कैलास प्रिय शिव शङ्कर साई कैलास प्रिय शिव शङ्कर साई नट जन प्रिय शिव शङ्कर साई नट जन प्रिय शिव शङ्कर शङ्कर रूप महेश्वर साई शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शङ्कर रूप महेश्वर साई शङ्कर 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 साई ओंकार प्रिय शिव शङ्कर कैलास प्रिय शिव शङ्कर साई नट जन प्रिय शिव शङ्कर साई शङ्कर 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 साई शिव शङ्कर रूप महेश्वर साई शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शङ्कर रूप महेश्वर साई
शिव 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 शिरडी पुरीश्वर शंभो शङ्कर साम शिवो शिव 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 शिरडी पुरीश्वर शंभो शङ्कर साम शिवो भवहर पुरहर शिव शिव शिरडीपुरीश्वर शंभो शंकर सांब शिवो
पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे करुणानादा दीनानाथा करुणानाथा साईनाथ हरे साईनाथ हरे विठ्ठला पाहे दीनानाथा करुणानाथा साईनाथ हरे पंढरीनाथा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे विठ्ठला पाहे पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की
human desire is bigger than the universe. Desire leads to anger and greed. And if we can free ourselves from desire, all these get dismantled. So what is causing desires to arise? Attachment leads to desire. Now, what is the cause of attachment? This is the most important piece of knowledge in the puzzle. When somebody graduates in the university in USA, they think, if I can just become a millionaire, I'll be so happy. So they chase the great American dream in this land of opportunity and freedom. And let us say by the age of 40, you have become a millionaire. Desires fulfilled? Story over? No. Now the desires have multiplied tenfold. It's difficult to believe, but true, that the millionaire's desires are far more. Because now there's the billionaire, I have to get him down. And the billionaire is looking at Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates, I have to go ahead of them. So the more you have, the more you want. That is why desire is considered bigger than God. Yat prithivyam vrihiyavam hiranyam pashavastriya nalmekasya paryaptam tasmad etatrayam trajet. This verse says that if one person got all the pleasures of the world, desire will still not find satiation. What is the biggest thing in this world? Think of the mountains. What is bigger than the mountains? The ocean. What is bigger than the ocean? The planet itself. What is bigger than the planet? The solar system. Bigger than the solar system is the Milky Way. And bigger than that is the universe. So the scriptures say, Tatopi asha duratyaya. Human desire is bigger than the universe. Kripaluji Maharaj, my Gurudev, explained it like this. He says, supposing God had created this world such that you made a desire and it was fulfilled. Supposing this facility was given to human beings, still there would be no satiation. Make a desire, let me be a millionaire, here it is. Let me have this kind of home, here it is. Let me have a travel around the world, done. Even then, human beings would go on and on and on desiring for the rest of eternity. So that is why, what is the cause of greed? Fulfillment of desires. Now, supposing we make desires, there can only be one of two options. Either it will be hindered or it will be fulfilled. On fulfillment, it will lead to greed. On obstruction, it will lead to anger. And when anger comes, the Bhagavad Gita says, Krodhat bhavati sammoha, sammohat smriti vibhramaha, smriti bhranchat buddhinasho, buddhinashat pranashyati. The anger creates delusion. Delusion leads to bewilderment of memory. Bewilderment of memory leads to ruin of the intellect. And when intellect is ruined, the soul suffers a downfall. And the whole disease started off through desires. And supposing you reach such a stage where you can give up desires, there is no scope for greed, no possibility of anger, and all subsequent afflictions disappear. That is why the Kathopanishad says that fortunate soul who has gotten free of desires becomes like God. Yada sarve pramuchyante kama yesya hridishritaah atha martyo mrito bhavatyatra brahma samashnute. Brahma samashnute kama yesya hridishritaah. If desires disappear from your heart, you will become God-like. What further can the Vedas say about the potential that exists on freedom from desires? And the same is said in the Bhagavad. Vimunchati yada kaman manavo manasisthitan tarhyeva pundarikaksha bhagavatvaya kalpate. Bhagavatvaya kalpate. You'll become God-like. Yo na kamayate kinchit brahma bhuyaya kalpate. The Mahabharata is saying the same thing. And the Bhagavad Gita says that you will become sthita pragya. So, the Buddhist philosophy is based upon this point. The Buddha, he expressed in his philosophy, there are 4 golden truths in the world. The first is there is misery in this world. It's a fact. People say, why are people unhappy? He's saying this is the reality of the world. There is misery. The second golden truth the Buddha said is there is a cause for suffering. It is not happening without a cause. And the third, the cause of suffering is desire. And the fourth, if you can get rid of desire, you will become free of suffering. The Sankhya Darshan, this one of the 6 schools of Hindu philosophy, the Sankhya Darshan, says exactly the same thing. So that is why the scriptures are emphasizing Kuranga Matanga Patanga Bhringa Meenahata Pancha Bhireva Pancha Eka Pramadi Sakathanna Hanyate Yasevate Pancha Bhireva Pancha. The deer desired wonderful sounds. The hunter in the forest created sweet music to attract the deer and shot it. The elephant was lowered into the pit because there was a female elephant. And the elephant loves to touch. It fell to its death. The moth was attracted by the sense of sight to the burning flame and met its death. The fish was lured by the sense of taste, and it too got hooked by the fisherman. These creatures and the bee was lured by the sense of smell. It sat down on the lotus flower. It was sucking the nectar. It became evening time, and the lotus was closing with the setting sun. The bee thought, the lotus is closing, but let me suck a little more nectar. But the lotus closed a little more, that's all right, but let me suck a little more. Until the lotus was fully closed and the bee was trapped inside. Now if it is trapped, so what? The bee which can drill through wood is trapped in the lotus flower thinking, never mind, it's so wonderful. Tomorrow again the sun will rise and the flower will blossom and I'll fly away. In the meantime, an elephant came, broke the lotus from the stem and ate it. The bee thought, this flower is going somewhere, I am also going along with it. It met its death. So the Sukti Sudhakar says, look, these creatures are getting trapped by one sense, and human beings who indulge all the desires of all the senses, what will happen to them? So now we have understood desire leads to anger and greed. And if we can free ourselves from desire, all these get dismantled. So what then is the cause of desire? Strike to the root. If desire is the cause of these two, what is the cause of desire? Not everyone experiences the same desire. Somebody sitting in the lecture starts thinking of chai. Somebody's mind goes to the TV show. Somebody starts thinking of my child who has gone to Austin to study. Somebody's mind goes to the dog. So what is causing desires to arise? Now we are coming to the root of the root. The Bhagavad Gita says, Sangat sanjayate kamaha kamat krodho bhijayate. Wherever your mind is attached, wherever your mind has developed the clinging, the asakti, now you will experience that desire again and again and again. You got your mind to cling to alcohol, you develop that particular attachment, you'll experience that desire again and again. Somebody else attached his or her mind to video games. Now the desire is for video games again and again. So wherever you have attached your mind, that is the desire which will torment you. This point is very important. Think about it again. It is not the intrinsic qualities of an object that create desires. It is always our own mental attachment. Like, for example, does alcohol have a wonderful aroma or a great taste? Say, Swamiji, what a stinking thing it is. But you ask the same thing to an alcoholic. He will say, who says it is stinking? The moment I get the whiff of whiskey, I start swaying from side to side. So it's not a great aroma that's causing this desire, it is one's own attachment. So attachment then leads to desire, and desire results in anger and greed. We have now come to the root of the root. I told you this analysis in Vedic psychology, I've never read it anywhere. Now, what is the cause of attachment? At every step, the mystery thickens. Why in the world does our mind get attached anywhere? Now, everybody's mind is attached different places. Somebody is so attached to money, they will sacrifice everything, health for the sake of money. So what is it that causes attachment? Where does this come from? This is the most important piece of knowledge in the puzzle. When we repeatedly contemplate happiness anywhere, When we repeatedly think, there is happiness here, there is happiness here, this thing will give me happiness, this thing is the source of pleasure. When we revise this thought again and again, the mind becomes attached. Dhyayato vishayan pumsah sangasteshu pajayate. The Bhagavad Gita says, you keep on thinking there is happiness here, your mind will become attached.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare, Swami Satya Sai Hare, Bhakta Jana Samrakshak, Bhakta Jana Samrakshak, Bhakti Maheshwara. Om Jai Jagadish Hare, Shashi Bhagana Shri Kara, Sarva Pranapati, Swami Sarva Pranapati, Ashrita Kalpaladika, Ashrita Kalpaladika, Apadvandava. Om Jai Jagadish Hare, Mata Pita Guru Devam Mariyantayurive, Swami Mariyantayurive, Nana Brahma Jagannatha, Nana Brahma Jagannatha, Nagendra Shayana. Om Jai Jagadish Hare, Omkara Rupa Ujjwala Sai Mahadeva, Satya Sai Mahadeva, Mangala Arati Antuko, Mangala Arati Antuko, Mandara Giridhari. Om Jai Jagadish Hare, Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadguru Deva. Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadguru Deva. Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om. Jai Sadguru Deva. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu, Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu, Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Jai Bolo Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba Ji ki